Welcome to the Customer Services Portal Quick Start video. Want to manage your Philips and multi-vendor fleet all in one place? The Customer Services Portal is an easy-to-use, self-service online platform designed to help you manage your Philips and multi-vendor equipment across modalities and departments. No need to call or wait for help. You can check, book, and manage everything yourself. Use it to manage your fleet 24/7 from any location, manage maintenance, and request service. Find contracts, documentation, and work reports. Enter your username and password to log in. Let's get started. After logging in, we arrive at the home page. You'll see that the home page shows a variety of information. We'll take you through that in a moment. First, though, check that the portal is configured to your needs. You can check this via the Locations and Installed Products sections. If you don't see what you need, click on the Contact button in the navigation bar to contact your local support team to make sure your portal is set up in full. On your home page, use the navigation bar to easily navigate to different sections, or start case creation via the orange button at the right top. Keep in mind that the question mark in the upper right corner takes you to the user manual for the portal. Next, let's look at the key information you'll see on the home page: Fleet Health Overview, Case Overview, your calendar for upcoming visits, and quick links for information resources. Let's go through each of these now. One of the most important pieces of information on your homepage is an overview of your fleet. This is called the Fleet Health Overview section, and it displays the status of your equipment based on open cases. Moving a little to the right on your homepage, there's the Case Overview. Case Overview links to cases created or closed within the last 30 days. There's also a link to view your currently open cases. Next, we have the calendar. Your calendar overview shows the dates and times of your upcoming service visits. Below, you'll find the quick links. This section is designed to help you access information resources to get the most out of your portal. Now that you're familiar with the homepage, let's dive into case creation. This section will possibly be the one you will use the most. This is where you create and track your service case requests. We'll now take you through how to create and submit a service case and how to track the engineer's response and part status. To start creating your case, click the orange Create Case button on the home page. Alternatively, use the search bar to quickly find the product by entering its serial or installed product number. Once you've found the correct product, simply click the Create Case button. Next, select the product you need service for. Choose the type of support you'd like. You can request technical or clinical support. Would you like to request part identification information, get a bench repair, or opt for preventative maintenance? Or maybe you'd like to request support on relocation or deinstallation of equipment. Now, add your case details to describe your request. To help resolve your case faster, please give a detailed description in the case description field. Now it's time to add your contact information. Verify your details, and if you want, you can select up to 3 additional contacts who will also be notified of the case status and resolution. Once you've reviewed the case and checked all information is correct, click the Submit button. You'll find this on the lower right-hand side of the page. If you want to upload pictures, screenshots, or documents to explain your request, click on the button Upload Files. Click on Close, and now you have successfully created a case. You will receive an automated email confirming your case creation and service details, in which you will have a direct link to the case detail page. Here you can view case details, track order status and delivery date. You can also subscribe to notifications on case status in your profile settings. Now, let's go through the calendar function. The calendar function is a great tool for scheduling and keeping up to date with your planned service visits. In the center of the home page, you'll see the calendar section. To the right of the calendar, you'll find all your visits by Philips to your facility detailed out in list form. Click on a particular visit to view the visit details. A pop-up message will come up. In here, you'll see all the relevant visit details like visit date, time, the name of the engineer, installed product details, and more. To open the calendar in full screen, simply use the navigation bar at the top of your screen or click the link below the calendar. In the full screen calendar view, you'll see a comprehensive overview of the planned visits scheduled for the field service engineer to be on site. You will see a color-coded view depending on the type of service visit. Easily tailor your view by filtering as you like, by day, week, or month. You can also filter visits by confirmed or tentative status or location. You can review your visit's details here. And to make sure a visit doesn't get missed, export the planned visits into your personal or team's calendar and just select Download. In the calendar, you can also accept planned visits or request a new visit time. To accept or reject the visit, simply tick the box. Or if you want to first view visit details, select the visit and then accept or request a new date if you need to. To request a new date, select the new date and the time, leave any comments, and click Submit. The update will be visible once the request has been processed by the planning team. Great job! You've now successfully managed creating service appointments using the calendar function. Next, let's go through how to manage and review all your product details. In the Installed Products section, you can check, view, manage, and edit all of your installed products. Click on Installed Products. You'll find an overview of all of your products with the status of each one, and you can view the contract expiration status. All products that are covered by a service contract or under warranty have a green check mark. To quickly locate your installed product, use the various filtering options. Alternatively, use the filter button to only view the products that you marked as favorite on the Installed Product Details page. Personalize your installed product data by assigning your own identifiers, making it easy to recognize and manage. Simply click on the Update IP Info button. In the Installed Product section, you can add a room, department, customized name, or inventory number. Click on the Manage List button in case you are missing products or see products you should not see. In the event that a product is decommissioned or sold, let us know by raising an Installed Product Change request. Select the product that you want to change. Now you're in the Product Details page, where you can raise your installed product change request in case a product is removed or relocated. Do this by clicking the Raise Change Request button on the upper right side. On this Product Details page, you can also find all information like open cases, upcoming visits, and documents. You can also see expiration of warranty, service agreement, end of life or end of service status. To be informed about the end of life or end of service status, go to the My Profile button at the right top and configure your email notifications. Let's now go through the Report section. This is where you can run all types of reporting relating to your installed base to give you insights into your fleet for informed decision-making. There are several types of reports that you can access from the Customer Services portal, such as end of life, open cases, contracts, and more. Let's now run a Preventative Maintenance Visits Overview report to improve your planning. Ensure the full value of your entitlement and view details like last preventative maintenance delivered, scheduled status, frequency, due date, and visit number. Make use of the filters such as location or installed product ID on top to customize your data view. Easily export the overview for your internal records. So now you've seen some of the functions of the Customer Services portal and learned how to use it on your desktop. But what about mobile use? As well as desktop, we also have a mobile version available. You can use this version to create service cases, track activities on the go, add and view comments, case overviews, and product details, and connect with your Philips customer support team. The mobile version is simple and easy to use. It is the perfect complement to your desktop customer service portal. We are now at the end of the Customer Services Portal Quick Start video. We hope you enjoy using the portal. Remember to make sure the portal is configured to your needs, making sure you can see the correct locations and modalities in your portal view. For additional questions and contact details, or if you wish to request a demo for your team, click the Contact Us button on the navigation bar at the top of the screen. We want you to get the very most out of the customer services portal, so get in touch anytime. It's designed to help you, after all.